Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout to play along with this Mercy Tiara kit. It is called Nostalgia, and it is this lovely mix. We have Vicky Boutin. There is Simple Stories hanging out. Oh gosh, exclusives. Guys, come on now. Did you guys see these exclusives that they created, these wax seals? Anyway, oh, there's the cutest little buttons from Buttons Galore and More. There's all kinds of things. That's the point. Oh, there's also the subscriber cut files, and this is new. We have all of these labels. Now they come in the colors, but I also printed them in grayscale because, you know, why not? So what I thought I wanted to do is totally concentrate on the cut file. I think it goes this way. I just have to decide which way I want it. And I will show you my photos, and then we'll be able to kind of discuss like how I got to the point where I am. So I have these two photos. This is my daughter and Nick, her fiance, and this is her engagement photo shoot, right? Beautiful photographer. They were fab. Now my daughter's facing this way and this way, but this is a little bit more of the main photo. So I kind of want it here. Do we want to go like this, or do we want to go like this with a little bit of space? I think like this. Okay. Now this cardstock here, this is called Candy Floss, and it's in the cardstock. Ooh, actual sun. Who knew? It's in the cardstock add-on kit from Mercy Tiara Kit Club as well. And guys, I'm going to have all the links down below for the website and the Facebook group, all of that kind of stuff, so you can grab your kit and play along. Great. So I cut this out, and my intention was to take all kinds of scraps from my first layout and fill it in. And then I put these photos next to it, and I realized that this little combo looked super bridal, and I thought that would be really pretty. So I'm going to just not. I'm going to go ahead and mat these photos, right? Get my branding strip off. I know that. Then I thought I'd go through the kit and kind of look for things that are just a little bit more low-key. And by that, I mean like softer colors. So like I have this word hello, that would do. I've got this word noted, very pale pink, and you know, just a little black writing. I thought that kind of thing. Ooh, a perfect day. So I liked the idea of doing pink, this soft pink, gold, and a little bit of the green. Oh, look at that. I kind of like you. That might be super cute too for engagement. Okay, so I like that. Then, like, guys, look at this. This is, you know, all the Vicky Boutin ephemera die cuts, like little pale pink ruler. I broke my little flower at one point, but that's all right. But I like the idea of the lighter kind of tones. I can bring in a little bit of this one. There's that green I was talking about. Let's see. It's a lot of rifling through these goodies and just to find like the softness. Now, the funny thing is, ooh, all of those are great. The funny thing is, like, normally I'm like, let me find the brightest, the boldest, you know, stuff in my kits. But yeah, all of a sudden here I am, you know, with a really bold kit going, what's the softest stuff I can find? So that's all right. That's really cute. Probably not going to use that, but I'll bring it onto my desk. And what I do, I mean, it's just kind of my thing, is I tend to grab what will work. Isn't that cute? And then I put the other stuff out of my, you know, eye line. I'm looking at this just for some of the leafy bits, not for the blue. And then I put everything else to the side so I can just concentrate perfection on what I have. That's perfect. The buggies are not, she doesn't like buggies. Let's see. I like that little heart. That's in the right color family. I like this little piece. Then what I was thinking, all right, let me find, you know, like the pretty and soft things. Okay, perfect. These are a lot of a brighter, gorgeous vibe. So we're not going to go there. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. Then what I was thinking is, you know how I wanted to have just a little bit of the green, not like overpowering, just a little bit. I was thinking that it might be, ooh, that green is perfect. I was thinking it might be kind of cool to have just a little bit of pattern paper, not like a lot, just a little bit. So what I'm gonna do, I'll pop up this whole cut file. You know, take me like 3 years to put foam tape behind it. Then I just want to go ahead and maybe tear a tiny bit of the green and have it overlap here. Great. And then a couple more tear spots and have it show through. So just a little bit of the green, but not overwhelming, because I want the softness to totally be the star of the show. All right, so let's see what else. Oh, there's a nice little bit of green in the labels. Now, these pieces that are cut out here, they were like the light pink. That would have been perfect. But I'm going to bring this over. Is there anything else I should look at? Okay, so these are very Valentine's-y, so no. Ooh, look at that. Great label color. This little today is really pretty. So yeah, pretty much we're just looking to be a little bit more low-key. So I'll go ahead and trim off, ooh, I like that, even though it's not the right color. I'm gonna go ahead and trim off my branding strip, get my cut file popped up because it really needs to get, ooh, a beautiful life. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm gonna put it over in case. It really needs to be able to get in place. Perfect. I also have, and we'll see how it goes, tons of these fussy cut florals that were on that Vicky Bouton sheet. Oh, I have to cut out that little tiny bit right there. I have tons of them. So I can, you know, have a little bit of this blush pink color coming through or whatever. Ooh, I just saw something so pretty. Look at that. So pretty. So super lucky. I have lots of things. I need to do a little bit of the homework. I'm not going to do that on camera so you don't die of boredom. Also going to find some scrap white cardstock. Actually, I have some in my kit to map my photo. I still have some, I believe. Oh, I do. Perfect. I'm going to map my photos with the same cardstock that's in the cut file. Pop my cut file up. Do some of that homework we were talking about, and then we get to start arranging things. I wanted to get a little bit of mixed media on this before I stick everything down. So at this point, I do have my cut file stuck down, and just this nice little piece here. It's up on just a little bit of dimension, right? So a little bit of the green, but not overwhelming. So I thought I'd come in with 2 of my Shimmers paints. They're both in the Color Splash formula, so they're nicely opaque, and they leave a little bit of a like a little bit of dimension and texture when they dry. So thought I'd get some down, and of course I can sprinkle some on top in, you know, after it all dries. But I was like, you know what, let me just get a little bit of this pop down beneath everything so I can have some layering of mixed media. Now I'm choosing to go in mostly with the white. So it's like a white on white, you know, with the pink, and a little bit of the gold just because this is a golden moment. And I'll be concentrating pretty strongly to start, at least down below here. I think that would be really pretty to have such a focus on the photos. So let me get a little bit of the gold, and then we can reassess after that. I will put my photos up on a tiny bit of dimension. See how nice and bright and gorgeous that is? So a little bit of the gold, not as much as the white, and I think this is going to be the ticket for the type of mixed media I was looking for. So I do have to set this aside to dry a little bit. We'll see if I have any patience, because that's not really my strong suit. But how pretty, just a little bit. Soft mixed media this time. Sometimes I'm really strong with my mixed media. Sometimes I've got to relax just a little bit. So let's see what we have now. You can see so much of that mixed media got covered, but it is just so pretty as it dries. This photo is nice and straight. This one's a little wonky. Love it. Wondering about creating a nice little shelf though. And I don't really need to scuff this. I just want to kind of texture it a tiny bit, if that makes sense. So let's go ahead. Do I want to have the larger numbers? I think I do. I think they're more fun showing. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that, and we'll give ourselves a nice little shelf. You know, it might cover more of the mixed media. It's totally fine. Does not bother me. Does not bother me. There's always more. This is all just part of the fun. Now see how that creates this exquisite little shelf. Now I have to be careful because I told you guys I had no patience and I did not wait for all to dry. Now these cute little florals, they're so cute. They are from this piece here, and I didn't want as much white as what's showing in and around. Sorry, I know we get a glare when I get close. So I didn't want as much of the floral, so I just went ahead and fussy cut some of it out. No big deal. But I want to start arranging and deciding how we can tuck our florals. We do a little tuck tuck. I love the idea of having a bit of a dramatic amount. We will tuck it in all the gorgeousness, and before I tack them down, I will of course decide, you know, how much I want popped up on foam and all of that. Now this might bring in just a little bit of that green down here. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, I'm gonna have that there. I want to have a nice little smattering of these sweet little florals. There we go. So I have them kind of here and there. And now this is making me want to grab this last one. So I'll go ahead and trim that out. Now let's see what we think about this little bit. Oh yes, I like the idea of that little flower. I've got my hello piece that I am still considering. So I could have hello nice and tight here. Tuck in, tuck, 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 tuck forward. A nice little heart. Then what else do we have? We have themes. Okay. I have to trim that. I've got this sweet little floral here. So maybe I can have another kind of a floral coming here because I have a couple there. I can have noted. I like that. Popped up. Definitely popped up. Must pop. Where's that I kind of like you that we had before? What, guys? Where'd it go? Oh no. Oh no. Oh, I found. So I don't need that much of this. I'm going to put those aside. I'm getting excited. Okay, that goes to the side. Ooh, I like the idea of this one sticking up a little bit there. So I did have something that said I kind of like you, and it's now missing. So I will hunt. No guarantees, but I will go on the hunt. Thinking of doing this and then having noted go right there so that we have this nice little display, but it's all totally tucked beautifully around our pieces. So guys, literally that I kind of like you is belly up. It ran away. I'm looking through everything. Yeah, it's gone. Blue, did you take it? I don't know. So let's tuck these pieces in, pop them up on a little bit, like literally, where do things go? I'm gonna tuck them in, pop them up on a couple things. This goes, oh, with the Simple Stories pieces. Then we're gonna splatter, oh, I know. Let's grab the gold pieces from our Nostalgia sequin mix. That would be so pretty. I wonder if this might not be a time as well that we can look at some of these little wax pieces. And guys, they already have like the little sticker piece, so we don't even have to try, oh, yep. We don't even have to try to figure it out. All right, that, like that, pleases me to no end. Let me see. Oh my gosh. Now I want one of these kits. Darn it. That is a problem when I start, oh, this one has a wreath on it, and these have two different kinds of leafy bits. Okay, I like this. What do you guys think? I love that. Let me move that a little bit because that's right in your face. So I love the vibe of this. So I'm going to get all of these pieces down. I want to put a few sequins. Guys, I'm thinking a few splatty bits in those two kinds of color splash products from Shimmers. And this is going to be done. So give me a second. I'm going to come back and show you the whole thing. All right, my friends, that is that. I ended up only having the green on the top and then bringing in, oops, little mess, little bit of green leaves on the bottom, keeping the whole thing soft. A little bit of splatty bits with my mixed media and white and gold once again. Used all 3 of the wax seals because I love them so much. I thought they were perfect for the subject. So guys, once again, like I said, I will go ahead and have links down below where you can get your hands on these goodies and anything else. Oh, guys, there is a sketch challenge of the month. I already did a layout with it, but fabulous sketch. Go ahead and post what you came up with for the sketch in our Facebook group. Is there anything else to tell you guys? I don't think so. So guys, that's what I have today. I hope you like what I came up with, and I'm going to see you guys ever so soon with another video. Love the cut file. Okay, bye for now, guys. Oh, still shots right there. Bye, guys.